From the difference between 615 and 428. Take away 64. And we are given a list of options from A to E. Solution. Firstly, 615 minus 428 is equal to 187. That is, 187 is the difference between 615 and 428. Also, the question further states, we take away 64 from the difference of 615 and 428. Therefore, we have 187 minus 64 equal to 123. Which the correct answer from the options is E. A fruit vendor sold 45 apples to Jane and 7 apples to SOLA. How many more apples has Jane more than SOLA? A. 41. B. 36. C. 31. D. 38. E. 19. Solution. Jane has 45 apples. SOLA has 7 apples. Therefore, 45 minus 7 equals to 38. We can then state that Jane has 38 apples more than SOLA. The correct answer from the options is D. If P times P equals 144. Find P. A. 288. B. 72. C. 36. D. 12. E. 8. Solution. If P times P equals to 144. Then P square is equal to 144. Taking square root of both sides. Square root of P square is equal to square root of 144. Then square root of P square is P. And square root of 144 is 12. Therefore, P is equals to 12. The correct answer is D.